Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
may konting concern ako na maliit pero napakalaki para sa ating bansa, sa Samar, sa Leyte at saka sa Mindanao. Mga alam po ito ni Senator Erwin Tolpo, 3 taon ko pong dinidiscuss ito sa Kongreso para makagawa tayo ng Sorsogon-Samar Link Bridge. Napakahalaga po ng tulay na ito at marami na tayong tulay na ginagawa. May Cavite, Bataan na tayo, may Samal, may 3 tulay tayo sa Cebu, pero hindi natin inaaral yung Sorsogon-Samar Bridge. Alam nyo, yung Bangladesh ay gumawa na ng Padma Bridge. Ang lalim, 127 meters ang ginawa nila, worth more than 220 billion pesos. Mas malaking bansa tayo, mas may pera tayo kaysa Bangladesh. Bakit hindi natin aralin kung kaya natin ito? Pag-aaral pa lang, ayaw na natin. Di hamak. Pag nagawa po natin ang tulay na ito, ay madudugtong na natin ang Samar, Leyte at yung Mindanao. Halos nadugtong na natin ang Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ang lalim ng San Bernardino Strait ay umaabot po ng sa Labisaris tumatnog 40 meters. Kung dadaan ka naman sa San Antonio, papuntang Kapol, ang pinakamalalim dyan, 90 meters. Kaya kailangan tayo ng may feasibility study po dito. At for the first time, nilagyan po ni Secretary Vincent Nep natin ng 130 million. Nung i-present po ninyo ito, ay siyempre, mga lump sum yung nandyan. Hindi ko po makita kung nandyan pa yung pondo na 130 million na napaka-importante sa ating bansa for feasibility study of the Sorsogon-Samar Link Bridge. Pwede bang magtanong kung anong status po nito, Madam Chair, Mr. Chairman?
I'll respond to the query of Minority Leader Marcelino Libanan. So as of now, and this was a topic that was already raised by the Honorable Minority Leader during our last deliberations on DPWH on Sunday, na nagkaroon po ng reduction of around 80 million pesos doon po sa feasibility study para sa Sorsogon-Samar Link Bridge. And at the time, I made a commitment to the Minority Leader to find a way to make sure that this is funded in the GAA because of the criticality of the said bridge. And again, I reiterate the commitment to the Minority Leader that this will be funded in the GAA for 2026. We will make sure po na ma-restore po siya doon po sa level na 130 million na nauna na po na nakalagay doon po sa NEP. And with that, I reiterate again my commitment to the Minority Leader that this will get funded.
I sincerely appreciate your commitment, but we are in a BICAM. We need to, all of us shall be in unison for the approval of this item, hindi lang yung chair natin. So, we need also the commitment of our counterpart. Napakaliit po ito na bagay pero napakalaki po nito. Otherwise, sasabihin nila lahat na lang ng development nasa Luzon na lang. Napakalaki po ito. 130 million nang hindi natin mabuo-buo. Parang, kaya ina-appreciate ko po na maglalagay po tayo dito. So, if I am allowed to present the proper motion, Mr. Chairman, may I?
Go ahead, Minority Leader Libanan.
Madam Chair, Mr. Chairman, I move that we return the 130 million appropriation in the NEP for the Sorsogon-Samar Link Bridge feasibility study to be carved out from the feasibility study fund in the DPWH budget.
Second the
Madam
motion.
Chair.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Second.
On the part of the House, we approve the motion.
We second the motion.
With the second, we approve the motion. Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank you,
much.
Mr. Chairman. Plus, just
Thank
like
you, Mr. Chairman.
to
Thank you, Madam
support
Chair.
this. You know why, Mr. Chairman? Because once we have the bridge from Luzon to the Visayas, the next one will be from the Visayas to Mindanao. There is no other way to develop far-flung Mindanao but to have a seamless travel from Mindanao through Surigao, through Leyte, then Samar to Matnog.
I wholeheartedly agree with the proposal for the Sorsogon to Samar as well as the Visayas to the Mindanao study. Palagay na po nyo sa NEP para hindi na, but we fully support that. That's really going to be a game changer for the country.